Hi, I'm Brian Burke from Texas Instruments Haptics Products Group, and I want to introduce you to our new DRV2605 evaluation kit. The kit includes everything you need to start working with the DRV2605 ERM and LRA haptic driver. The DRV2605 includes new features such as audio to haptics, smart loop control architecture, and integrated immersion waveform library that help improve the haptic experience and ease integration. Haptics is a technology that makes use of motor vibrations to create tactile response in electronics. With haptics, you now not only get feedback from what you see and hear, but from what you feel. Haptics has been in the gaming world for over 15 years and has been ever increasingly popular in mobile phones. Our new driver, the DRV2605, makes it easy to expand haptics into other applications as well, including your own. The DRV2605 EVM CT is a complete demonstration and evaluation kit, giving you the flexibility to control and explore the features of the DRV2605. The board contains the DRV2605 haptic driver, a programmable MSP430 microcontroller, an ERM and LRA actuator, and capacitive touch buttons. With one board, you can both characterize the DRV2605 on the bench and demonstrate it around the office. Let me give you a quick tour of the board to get you started. The board supports powering from either a USB port or bench power supply. The power source can be selected using the two 3-pin headers next to the power ports labeled MSP and DRV. Out of the box, simply insert the included USB cable into a computer or other USB power source and begin playing. On the other side of the board, there are two actuators. The circular actuator on top is an LRA, or linear resonant actuator, which vibrates internally using a spring and mass. The actuator below it is the ERM, or eccentric rotating mass, which spins with an off-center mass to create a slightly different feel. If you prefer to use your own actuator, simply screw in the actuator to the green out terminal block and remove jumpers JP3 and JP4. To control the board, there are 6 capacitive touch buttons. The 4 larger capacitive buttons, labeled B1 through B4, play various effects when pressed. The 2 smaller buttons, labeled with a plus and minus, allow you to select different modes and change the effects that play on the larger buttons. In the first mode, for example, if you press B1, the ERM will spin, producing a click and ramp down waveform. If you press B3, you'll feel the same effect except with the LRA. When you change modes, the effects will change too. So when I change to mode 2 and press B1, the LRA buzzes using auto resonance tracking, and when I press B3, the ERM buzzes using closed loop. There are also hidden modes that provide additional functionality. To access the hidden modes, press and hold the plus button for 3 seconds. When you press and hold it the first time, you can access the immersion library of 123 effects embedded in the DRV2605 ROM. These effects are included royalty-free. By pressing and holding the plus button a second time, you can access the additional hardware modes that allow you to input external signals and control the board via I2C, among many other functions. One really cool new feature called Audio to Haptics takes audio from music, a movie, or a game and automatically converts it to haptics. To demonstrate, plug in the audio source to the audio jack on the DRV2605 EVM and select mode 0. Then press button B1 or B2 and feel how the actuator vibrates in sync with the audio. You can see on the oscilloscope capture here, the output in orange matches the audio in blue. The DRV2605 evaluation kit is a very versatile tool with everything you need to get started. For more information on operating the DRV2605 evaluation kit, visit ti.com/haptics. There you can find the datasheet, complete user's guide, and MSP430 source code. Also visit us at the TI E2E forum to ask questions and share knowledge. Thanks for watching.